girlfriend said I was snoring.
Oh.
Because I usually sit on my stomach because I'm laying on my back. She's like, why would laying on your back make you snore? My ball sack is covering my butthole, so there's no ventilation.
Oh,
So
facts.
it all comes out one side. I covered the exhaust, so then I snore. A lot of people don't know that.
Is that why?
Yeah.
Why, like, women don't snore at all? Because they
Yeah.
don't have anything to...
Yep, their butthole's free.
No way!
Yeah.
No.
Yeah,
It
it's
says what? No, really?
ask Dr. Mike.
Dr. Mike. Dr. Mike, if you're watching this, the reason people snore is because their balls cover their buttholes.
Yes,
There's no way.
it's true.